Hey guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. It's a special one. We're introducing two new project cars. I mean, one being a parts car, one being the project car. But you guys know I have a long, deep love for 3000 GTs, and ever since I sold my last one, I've always wanted another one. So I'd like to introduce you guys to two 3000 GTs. The green one, the 1992 3000 GT SL. So it had the dual overhead cam 3-liter V6. So, you know, it was like the high-end motor, but it was still NA, no turbos. But this one's special, and I'll show you the reason why it's special. It's because of this. This is a Buick 455 big block. It came out of a 1970 GSX, you know, iconic muscle car of the 70s. It makes about, I think, 510 torque and then 425 horsepower to the crank. So this thing, it's got some decent sized power, and it's just not like a front wheel drive car. This thing is rear wheel drive, feeding into a turbo 400 3-speed auto and into a custom 4-link Ford 9-inch rear end. This thing's built to drag strip. This thing is built to go down the drag at great speeds and get that nice bite in the beginning. And this guy did a lot of work. So basically how the story goes is I bought it on Facebook Marketplace. It was a good deal. I think I got it for around 8 grand for it. Yeah, I got it for 8 grand. Doesn't have a title yet. I'm working on the title right now. But it runs and drives. Front end is totally, the front end is very, very sloppy. There pretty much is no front end. So it's like, you know, all manual power. There's all manual, no power steering. This car is pretty raw. There's no anything, no airbags, nothing at all. Just pure, just Japanese body and American muscle. We've got some big tires, you know, quad square tips. It's got a nice green. It's actually a custom green with a paint code, and it's a custom paint code, so I can actually do touch-up paints and all that myself. You got a full black interior, all leather. Got a custom B&M mega ratchet shifter, that's what they call them. And the wiring job he did is pretty horrendous. So I have to go back and do all the wiring. But you can see that's the custom trans tunnel that the guy did. That, you know, it looks good. The metal fab work on this car, he did a good job on it. Let me show you guys the rear end now. Come under here. Here, a little flip you guys over so you guys can see it better. So you can see that it's a custom 4-link rear end suspension, feeding to a Ford 9-inch rear end. It's pretty, you know, pretty neat, you know, metal fat. Like, you know, the guy did a pretty good job putting it all together. I forgot to add that the exhaust for it, so it's a 455 big block. It's got stage 1 heads, and also it has headers that feed into a full 3-inch exhaust from the headers all the way back. So, you know, this engine's breathing very healthily. Like, it breathes really good. So, you know, exhaust wise, I don't have to do anything at all. The goal with this car is to make it a 99. So this right here is the 99 3000 GT that I bought. Has 120,000 miles. It's a single overhead cam, so it's like the base model. But even for a base model, it still came with a sunroof, full leather interior. It's pretty nice. But the reason why I'm parting this car out is the rust. Here, I'll flip you guys under for a second. The rust on this car is pretty bad. You can see that. I'm picking it off with my hands. Like, the rust on this car is no good. The fuel sending unit is literally like glued to the gas tank. But yeah, what I'm planning to do is getting the VR4 wing on it, doing the 99 front end conversion on it, keeping the same color, getting some nice rims. Oh my god, look at that Mantis. That thing is huge. Like, look, this is my finger, and I got big hands. Like, I got really big hands. That's a huge Mantis. He's looking right at me. So yeah, so other than the Mantis, so what I want these headlights, and I want this bumper pretty much just all on that car, and It's a little metal fab work I have to do here and there around it. But yeah, it should be a good project, you know. That's just insane. A big block in the 3000 GT. I looked on forums and all that. Only a couple people done LS swaps and all that, but I don't know if I've seen anyone else with a big block. So this fairly might be the only big block 3000 GT in the world. So there's that. It's still carbureted. I might go EFI, who knows, with this project. You know, right now I'm working on just getting like running good, driving good. I got to do something with that front end. That front end is pretty much just all, let me show you guys. That front end is pretty much just all mechanical. There's no power steering, there's no nothing. You know, you get the shift link, like the linkage going right in, and I took it for a quick drive and it did not feel good at all. But yeah, I would start it for you guys right now, but you know, I don't feel like it right now, so I'll probably just do that in a part 2 and do for a quick little test drive. I just wanted to introduce you guys to the build and all that, so that's where I would probably be working on next, other than I got a couple other projects on the side. But yeah, big block 3000 GT. That's just insane. You know, you got the fuel pressure regulator right here. At least it's discs in the front, but it is drums in the rear. But you know, it should be fine. I'm not gonna go too crazy on brakes and all that because I'm not like a racer. I just like, you know, speeding up quick, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, I'll probably put some custom racing seats in. I do want to get like a full screen dash on it. I don't know if you guys can see, that's kind of dark, but he already got the gauges in. The wiring job is just horrible. Let me show you guys. Like, the wiring is just everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you know, I'll see it when I edit the video. So yeah, that's probably gonna conclude this video. You know, big block 3000 GT, maybe one of its kind in the world, and I'm gonna be, you know, hopping it up, making it look beautiful, doing a 99 conversion, VR4 wing, all kinds of stuff. But who knows? Down the road, I might throw some turbos on it. But yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I got a bee trying to attack me. Get out of here. Trying to do an outro. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.